Rakuten Medical is developing a novel cancer treatment based on the Illuminox platform. The treatment contains two components, a drug called ASP-1929 and a light illumination system. ASP-1929 is a monoclonal antibody that targets and binds specifically to the epidermal growth factor receptors, EGFR, on tumor cells conjugated to a light activatable dye, IR dye 700DX. At this time, the treatment is investigational and has not been approved by any health authority. Treatment is initiated with an intravenous infusion of ASP-1929. ASP-1929 distributes systematically and accumulates at the tumor, where it attaches to EGFR present on the surface of the tumor cells. Approximately 24 hours after administering ASP-1929, the light illumination system, composed of needle catheters, diffusers, and a laser device, is used to deliver a non-thermal red light to the tumor site to activate the drug. There are two types of diffusers utilized for non-thermal red light illumination. Superficial tumors are illuminated with frontal diffusers. Deep subcutaneous and large tumors are illuminated with cylindrical diffusers. Needle catheters should be placed into the tumor using image guidance such as computerized tomography and/or echocardiogram. Total light illumination lasts approximately 5 minutes for each treated region. The illumination of ASP-1929 with non-thermal red light transiently excites the IR dye 700DX of ASP-1929 bound to the EGFR on the target tumor cells. Depending how large the tumor is, multiple treatment cycles may be administered. Preclinical data have shown that the excitation of the dye portion of ASP-1929 induces a biophysical process that weakens the membrane integrity of cancer cells and leads to rapid and selective necrosis of the targeted cells with minimal effects on surrounding tissue. When there is residual disease or if new tumor lesions appear, additional treatment cycles can be applied. Rakuten Medical is developing its first product under the Illuminox platform to treat a high unmet medical need in recurrent head and neck cancer.